severe thunderstorm warning for northern Lake County in northwestern Indiana until 4:45 p.m. At 3:38 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Whiting, moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Hammond, Gary, Portage, East Chicago, Hobart, Lake Station, Whiting, New Chicago, Pajouich, and Burnham. This includes Indiana University Northwest and South Shore Railcat baseball. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. This is NOAA's Weather Radio.